Today, let's see the KESSY module for VW, Audi, Porsche, and Bentley. What are the common faults for this since it is installed under the passenger seat? It is easy to be damaged by water. Perhaps the sunroof is left open during a rainy day and water will enter the module. One of the faults is smart keys not working. There can also be no communication at all. The KESSY module is used on car models such as VW Touareg, Phaeton, Bentley Continental, and a few Porsche as well. Now let's test the DTCs on our platform. We can see that it can communicate. Not all KESSYs are the same. If hardware is different, they may not match. So make sure the part number is 100% the same. Or ask us to confirm compatibility.